So, tell me about yourself.
Um, I am Justin Bijo, 18 years old, and I'm living Central Signal, Village Taguig, and I'm a student of TUP Taguig, and I'm a hardworking individual to learn new things about your company, and I'm excited to work with you.
Okay, okay. So, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My biggest thing is adapt quickly about new things, and my weaknesses is saying no to others.
Mm, okay. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself growing in my career and into this company, and learning new things about this industry, and taking my responsibilities.
Okay. Why should we hire you?
My skills and adaptability make me great fit for this company, and I'm motivated and hardworking individual to be and ready to contribute to this company.
How much? Oh, what is your salary expectation?
Um, for me, my salary expectation is 15K to 20K.
What motivates you to do your best work?
I'm motivated to solving challenges, making an impact, and seeing my work contribute to success to this company.
Okay. What are your career goals?
My career goals is gaining some knowledge and experience, and improve my skills to taking responsibilities to this organization.
How will you manage your time if you get hired in our company?
I will manage my time to do some tasks, and completing the deadlines of my work, and focusing and completing work efficiently, and if I have task is I will organize them.
Thank you, Mr. Justin Gajo.
Thank you, sir. Morning, sir. Morning. Take your seat. So, tell me about yourself.
I'm Clarence Manal and I'm 19 years old. I live in Bepons, Parañaque City.
So, you're Clarence.
Yes.
So, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
One of my strengths is my ability to adapt quickly.
Okay. Weaknesses.
I'm, my weaknesses is saying no. I have a habit of taking on too many responsibilities, but I'm working on setting boundaries and managing my workload better.
Okay. Next question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
In 5 years, I see myself growing professionally in a role. where I can apply my skills and take on more responsibilities.
Why should be hard?
My skills and adaptability make me a great fit for this role. I'm motivated, hardworking, and ready to contribute to your company's success.
So, what are your expected salary?
My expected salary are 20K to 30K.
Okay, good. Next is, what motivates you to do your best?
I'm motivated by solving challenges, making an impact, and seeing my work contribute to success.
So, what are your career goals?
My goal is to take on leadership responsibilities and contribute within an organization.
Okay, how will you manage your time if you get hired in our company?
I will manage my time by prioritizing tasks, using to-do lists, and focusing on completing work efficiently.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Clarence.
Thank you.